We are at the Scale-Tronix manufacturing facility, the same facility where we also develop new features for scales, possible new scales, handle our customer needs from a technical standpoint. We have a staff of folks that are, in many cases, cross-trained to do many different types of assembly. The sub-assemblies all come together to make a final scale. We'll see some of that as we go through the plant. This lady has been with Scale-Tronix for quite a few years now, and she is putting together battery holders that will be used in subsequent scales. This gentleman is building a next level up sub-assembly that will eventually be a scale that gets cemented into a floor in a hospital. At this station, Gia is taking the next step in putting sub-assemblies together. This particular sub-assembly is the battery holder being assembled to the bracket. Eventually, Gia will complete, in the sequence, a scale similar to this. This happens to be one of our diaper scales that is used in a hospital. We might be building certain scales one week and a totally different scale set the next week. Tyler is working on an original equipment manufacturer design that we make specifically for a unique hospital bed manufacturer. The scale gets all the sub-assemblies put together here. It gets completely tested, and then it gets shipped to the bed manufacturer for their final installation. All of the scales in this area are what we call our gray masted scale line. They look similar, but they're not. They all have different applications. All of these scales can be used for a simple stand-on application. A lot of them can be used for wheelchair applications, including wheelchairs of all different sizes. Scale-Tronix manufactures a complete line of stowaway scales. This scale is extremely easy to use. You lower the deck, put the wheelchair on or put the patient on the scale, take the weight, retract the deck. It leaves no footprint. Every scale built by Scale-Tronix is hand-built, component by component. As the sub-assemblies come together toward a final assembly, we add the electronics, terminate all the cables, fasten everything tightly, and get the scale prepared for final test and calibration. As with the majority of the scales produced here at Scale-Tronix, this scale has the feature of sending a signal to facilitate electronic medical records. Once the testing and calibration is complete, we document those tests on each scale and final package the scale for shipment.